Hi everyone. First and foremost, Happy New Year. So, believe it or not, this is my third recording. I don't know, the odds are not in my favor today. There's been things going on with the way I've been recording, so I don't know why. But anyways, yun nga, again, Happy New Year to everyone, and I hope you had a very good time this time during Christmas and New Year's, able to spend it either with your families, with friends, with loved ones, or just even time for yourself, to be able to relax and to recover from all the parties, the connections, and the stresses also from work kasi pag gagantong year end, ano talaga yan eh, crunch time na. So, it's nice to see that we had this break. In fact, ngayon, marami pa rin hindi pumapasok kasi January 2, Friday, naipit siya. So, most likely, majority yung mga nasa offices will go back to work on Monday, January 5. Anyways, I'm just doing this because it's gonna be like, let's see how this goes. Apparently kasi, I've been contemplating on this prior to the year end, and I just realized na parang there have been a lot of things that went by regarding social media, and it's been sabihin na natin roller coaster. There were good points, there were crazy points, there were nasty points from last year. So it made me put some thought process also on how I put myself out here. And maybe in the next few days, I'll shed light to that. For now, kasi medyo kakasettle ko lang from the break. And in fact, wala pa ako masyadong maayos na tulog. Last year was a crazy year for our family. Christmas and New Year, both times, my dad was in the hospital. So, hindi namin masyadong, we celebrated it, pero hindi as usual or as joyous as we are now. So, of course, we had to do some preparations for this year because my dad is back home, and thank God naman he was able to surpass. So, with that also, I might share a separate story for that kasi I think a lot of people would be able to relate and hopefully get some thoughts or learnings from it. So for now, quick breather lang tayo, not too serious for now. I just realized lang kasi di ba, the past few weeks, a lot of people have been collecting anything, stickers or anything just to get planners or tumblers or whatever. So, for a change, this 2026, I just realized na parang it's about time that I also put content here na kahit paunti-unti. Maybe not as frequent as I used to, but little by little, supporting other businesses. Not exactly to the point of boycotting the big brands. It's not like that, but it's more of like putting balance in my own little way to support others. So a while ago, I went outside. I had to restock my food here sa unit. And so I passed by this store, and good thing, meron pa sila nung parang hawig lang ng sa Starbucks. So, pasensya na, I had to bring out the brand. I went to But First Coffee. So, merong malapit dito sa neighborhood. And they have this version of peppermint mocha. So, I'm gonna try it now, right in front of you guys. And let's see how this goes, okay? Let's see how this goes. So, ito siya. Okay, I don't know if it says. Okay. So this is but first coffee. Ako patawad po. Nasa ibabaw ng laptop ko, but don't worry, it's well sealed. So hindi naman siya. And anyway, we're not gonna do this for too long. So this is their iced peppermint mocha. I did not try the hot one kasi mainit na kape na ako kanina. So let's see. Teka. Hold on. Pala pinatanggal ko yung whipped cream, but anyway. Here we go. I have the mix system. Oops. Okay. So I had to take a few sips just to make sure that I am getting this right. So first, in terms of, okay, mahilig talaga ako sa kape. So it's a given that I could say something at the very least that I can. Hindi po ako food critic at hindi rin po ako chef. But I'll just say what's on my mind and for me, what's my take on it. So anybody can have their own perspective when it comes to food. Again, it's a reminder that taste is subjective. So, yeah. To be fair, okay yung kape. I can taste the coffee. Peppermint nalalasahan ko rin naman siya. But, not that, I mean, siguro iba lang yung syrup na gamit nila. It's not too strong naman. And in fairness, hindi lasang Colgate. Hindi lasang toothpaste. Sorry. Hindi siya lasang toothpaste. So, sakto lang. Yung pagka-peppermint niya. Though, for me that's my take. So, baka sa iba medyo, iba na yung dating sa kanila ng pagka-peppermint. Pero for me, it's just okay. It's, hindi nga lang siya comparable with the peppermint that I've tried with, peppermint mocha that I've tried with Starbucks. Medyo iba siguro yung syrup or brand na gamit nila. So, yun nga lang, mas masarap yung sa Starbucks, yung pagka-peppermint. But overall, I would say it's not bad. Okay? For the price of 175, tas 16 ounce na to, diba? If you're just looking to try for a Christmas drink, and then may ano pa kayo, may hangover sepangs mode pa kayo, pero on a budget, you try this one. I think they still have it. I don't know until when. Sorry, hindi ko na natanong, but yeah, if they still have it in their stores, go ahead and try it. For me, it's okay. So, hindi na ako magre-rating. Hindi ako maano sa ganyan, but go ahead and try it in any of but First Coffee branches. Okay? So, yun. That's just the start of it, and I hope I can do these kinds of things once in a while. And yun yan, the reason and the purpose is not exactly to put criticism in a negative way. Kung okay yung food, yung drinks, yung service, whatever that is, of course, it's commendable. And if not, ano lang siguro, more on suggestion na lang, or suggestion or thoughts na lang for improvement. More of like that, diba? Alright, so I'm gonna go back to work na kasi break time ko lang kanina kaya ako lumabas, but now I'm gonna work again. So till next time guys, and again, Happy New Year!